to be a Bang Yang girl.
My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way.
Bang-yang, so I'm gonna keep saying bang-yang. Y'all already know what we about to do today because clearly you clicked on the video and you saw the title, so I ain't gotta reiterate nothing. We are about to put on this 10-inch realistic yaki straight bob wig from LUVMEHAIR. Huge shout out to LUVMEHAIR for sponsoring today's video, and you know that I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. I want y'all to have some bang yangs too. I am going to have a description box. See, Lord, I'm talking too fast. Rewind, start again. I will have a coupon code in the description box below for you to check out this wig as well. Y'all already know when you get the LUVMEHAIR box, it's gonna come with some goodies. It came with this super cute purple satin bob, and then it also came with the edge brush, and it also came with this wig band. Also, one more thing, you know that it always will come with a wig cap. Probably put both of these wig caps on because I don't like bulkiness on the back of my wigs. Before I put this wig on, I need to go ahead and at least spray my hair with some leave-in conditioner because I am not about to slap this wig on my hair, even if it is like a, you know, quick little throw on. I don't care. I need to put some leave-in conditioner in this hair. Put both wig caps on, and like I said, it has a little bit of bunching in the back, but at least it won't give that bulkiness of a ponytail, and it'll just kind of lay flatter because this is a shorter wig. I definitely don't want that bump in the back. That ain't cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this wig on and see what it's giving. Like I said, y'all, I'm excited to try these bang yangs because I am normally, let me stop. Y'all gonna be so annoyed. Y'all gonna be so annoyed by the end of this video. Bang yang. Bang yang. This is my hand in here. Can y'all see that? Y'all see my hand moving? That is my hand. That is matching my hand right there. Okay, so not only is it serving scalp, but of course it does come with the elastic band in the inside. That way, you know, for security purposes, because baby, I don't want you at the store, you know, getting your bottle of hot sauce and your wig slip. We don't want that for you, okay? I don't want that for me. Girl, shut your mouth. Ah! Yo! And I always thought that my face didn't fit bang yangs. I literally have not done anything to this wig yet. I haven't done anything. Like, this is straight out the box. I don't have to frame this wig or nothing. Nothing. It'll be a little lopsided. Hold on. Let me just do, like, make sure the ends is bumped real good, but literally I didn't do anything to this hair. Like, clearly y'all literally just saw me, and that was unedited footage, okay? That was unedited footage. Y'all saw me take this thing off of this wig mannequin head and slap it on my head, and I have done nothing. And it's, my husband gonna come home and be like, who is you? And I'm gonna be like, who you want me to be? Who's you wanna call? A quick little letter. Blunt style cut anyway. Like, I don't really want it to have too much bumpage on the end. LUVME, y'all done made me a bang yang believer, and I am definitely not saying that just because it's sponsored. Like, y'all know this is cute. Do y'all see the shakeage? Like, this one of them wigs where this one of them wigs where somebody call you and then you be like, what? I'm gonna do a quick little montage of different little, I'm gonna get my sexy pose on real quick. So y'all see me sexy posing, but this wig, baby, this is one of the wigs that you have to keep in your closet, especially on those days where you don't feel like doing your hair. This is the perfect wig that you pull out and you just, you know, you wanna spice it up. You wanna give a little, you know, you wanna give a little flair, a little different flair that day. This is the wig that you pull out of the closet. But as y'all can see, like in the back, remember I told you I didn't wanna wear a ponytail. Like there is no bulkiness. The wig is not, it's laying nice and flat. Top of the wig is really flat. Like it don't have no humps or bumps up here either. I think this wig is absolutely gorgeous though. Like I said, I am not saying that just because it's sponsored. Like clearly y'all can see this is some really great quality hair. LUVMEHAIR has always been known for the quality of their hair. This is a universal fit, so you should not have to frame it. Now, if you just feel like it and that's your style, you know, maybe want to kind of frame it more around the face, you can definitely do that. But like I said, for me, I feel like this is a really good fit for my, you know, for the face, for my face. Only thing that I would say is maybe if you want to just put a little wax stick on it just to catch your flyaways, but outside of that, straight out the box, slap that wig on and go out the door, honey. You don't have to do anything. So what are we thinking? Like, y'all comment below. Y'all comment below and tell me what you think about the wig. Because like I said, I am not usually a bang girl, okay? But this wig is giving. Shouts out again. Thank you so much, LUVMEHAIR, for sponsoring today's video. I think the wig is absolutely gorgeous. And again, I am not going to leave y'all hanging. Make sure you check out the description box below for a coupon code to save on this 10-inch realistic yaki straight bob wig. You don't have to read no more reviews or look at no more reviews, because clearly y'all see what the wig is giving. Okay, y'all see what the wig is giving. But anyway, I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you have been here before, you already know what I'm about to say. But if you have not been here before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos is going up on the channel. Okay, let me stop, y'all. Let me stop. But anyway, that way y'all can see when the videos are going up on the channel. Again, thank you so much for coming to rock with your girl. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. So, bye, love.